start completely over.
You said we're starting over.
How y'all doing? Okay, so like my computer like completely jacked up. So what we have here is we're gonna make bird's nests. And what we have here is lei choi, lo mein noodles, party peanuts, salted, great value.
That was the last can in the whole store. Don't make fun of me.
Last can and so you have to get party peanuts salted, okay? Salted. And then we have almond bark, which is chocolate. You can have vanilla or
White chocolate.
you can have white chocolate or dark chocolate. And then we made these earlier today, which are cheesecake cupcakes. Yep. Dancing with myself.
Dang it. I just need pee.
If you guys didn't hear that, she said she sneezed peed.
That's twice today. It's getting old for the burns. I don't even have kids.
You have this kid.
Oh, Bailey.
Yes.
I need you to do me a favor. I'm gonna start a thing of towels, or dirty towels in the bathroom. Yeah. Grab them. And start this like so I can wash my own dirty clothes.
Okay.
And there's any in your Mia's room.
I am not
Is
going.
this recording?
Yes.
Well, let's not do that. I might burp or pick my nose or something. Let's not do that.
Okay. This was part 1.
I already sneeze peed.
This was part 1, so wait for part 2.